How to transfer from Bitget to Gate.io is really easy to do. First thing you want to do is you want to go into the Bitget website like so, just click on it. And once you've actually accessed the website, you simply just want to log in to your account. Now, once you've actually logged into your account, you go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the puzzle piece option. From here, you go down to Assets Overview, click on that, and then click on the spot right here on the left side of the screen. From here, you just want to click on withdraw for USDT. And as you can see, we can choose the network. In this case, you can choose any network that you would like. And let's just say I want to choose POL, and you can actually choose the withdraw address too, which you actually have to do. And how you get the withdraw access is you go to gate.io website. And once you're on the website, you just want to sign in. Go into Wallet Center in the top left-hand corner of the screen, click on receive, and you can actually choose the currency that you're trying to receive. Just type in USDT like so if you want to receive that, click on it, scroll down, and you want to find Polygon. And then from here, you copy the address, go back to the Bitget website, where from here you placed it inside of the withdraw address, click on next, click on confirm, and now the transfer has been complete. And as you can see, we can simply go back into this like so and do the exact same transaction like so, but it will cost 0.35 for the withdrawal amount. And that's how you do the transaction.